In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable to N8N. So it's actually quite simple, just follow my steps. The first thing you want to do inside N8N, you want to click to add the first step over here, the plus icon, and in here, inside search nodes, search for Airtable. There we go. Once you find it, click on it, and then you can either select a trigger or actions over here. Now, of course, select an action you would like to have. For me, I'm just going to do a get many bases, but of course for you, you can do it according to your own needs. The exact same process will apply for the further steps. Now, click on it, and on here, first you will need to select your credential. Click over here and click Create New Credential. And then from here, you will need to connect using, and the easiest way is to click Access Token, so we just have to put in the Access Token. Now, here you then want to go to your Airtable, so once you're inside Airtable, anywhere really, but for example inside your base over here, you can just go to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then at the bottom it says Builder Hub. Click on this, and then once this loads up, you want to click on Personal Access Tokens over here under Developers on the left, and you want to click on Create Token. From here you can give it a name. I'm just going to name it N8N, and then here it says Scopes. Now with this token you will be able to, and then you have to add a scope, and over here it will always say which scopes you have to have enabled. So for this specific one, I have to have data records read, data records write, and then schema basis read. So let's do this, data records read. Okay, data records write, and I think it was scheme basis read. Okay, you then want to have this as well. There we go. So for you it may be different in case you selected a different action. Of course, just put on these that are over here. All of them will be available on this list. When you click add a scope, there's not that many. Once you do this, you want to add it access. So you can either add all resources or just add a base over here. So I'm going to add this base and then all resources as well. For this instance, you don't have to do that, but you can, of course, if you want to. Then you just have to click on Create Token, and this token will be basically displayed on your screen. First, you want to just click on it and then copy it. Once you've copied it, you can click Done, and then over here you have to go back inside N8N, and under Access Token you want to paste this in, and then you simply want to click on Save, top right. As you can see, it says Credential successfully created in test project, which is my project over here. You can then close this down and then get going and basically create whatever you wanted with Airtable and N8N. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.